Hello and welcome to What's New in Ideate Sticky for the May 2019 release. This is Glynis Patterson with Ideate Software. Thanks for joining me today for this short update video. This video is designed for existing Ideate Sticky customers and covers recent features and benefits found within this May 2019 release. Revit version 2020 became publicly available in April 2019, and in that same month, Ideate Software released new versions of Ideate Sticky. Before we cover the Ideate Sticky improvements, I want to thank all those who help us improve. Our customers and beta testers are a vital part of our design and quality control process. This May 2019 release of Ideate Sticky impacts versions for Revit 2017 through 2020 as shown here, so remember to update your existing versions to access these improvements. This video covers improvements made to both the May 2019 and November 2018 updates. The May 2019 update includes a performance improvement that impacts those who use print regions and multi-worksheet Excel files. We've modified how we read the print region data in such files for a significantly faster open and update process. If you're using these kinds of Excel files, be sure to update to this latest version. An important improvement that we made to Sticky in November 2018 is support for relative file paths. This exciting change means you can easily pre-assign stickies to your template files and have them work as expected with project-specific Excel files that are copied to a project directory, saving you the headache of repathing. Related to the relative file path improvement is the November 2018 support for BIM 360 via the desktop connector. Now anyone on the BIM 360 project can integrate Excel content and have it easily populate and update via Ideate Sticky and the desktop connector for enhanced team collaboration. And lastly, in November, we made several improvements to ensure that Sticky can display the results of more complex formulas. Those listed here are now supported. We're only able to maintain our quality through your excellent communications with our team. If you have a moment, please do send us your requests. You can do this through the help menu as shown. Even if you need more information in our help file, we want to know, so be sure to drop us a line. There are two ways to access this new release. From within the Sticky application, you can find updates via the help menu as shown. You can also download all of our software from the ideatesoftware.com/download page. When you subscribe with Ideate Software, you have access to solutions that work with the current Revit version, plus the 3 earlier versions. You also have access to point release improvements that we make throughout your subscription period. If you have any support-related questions, or are in need of a new or updated network license file, be sure to email us at support@ideatesoftware.com. Be sure to check out our in-product and online help files for detailed information on how to make the most of Ideate Sticky. For more information on Ideate Software, including online training, recorded videos, and upcoming events, visit us online at ideatesoftware.com. Thanks for watching What's New in Ideate Sticky for the May 2019 release. For any questions related to Ideate Software pricing, contact your local sales partner or email us at sales@ideatesoftware.com.